show you the way you try to act with me.
What? You motherfucking right. If you give me $5, I don't do nobody.
Listen, give me the push and take a get out.
You want to say that shit? Motherfucker, let me tell you one motherfucking thing. Give me my money, man.
You forgot.
Give me my money.
You?
Yeah, you know, because if he didn't get stuck, he was still keep going, you understand?
You don't want to kill us, man. Try to tell that black man.
He's speeding to get the fuck away. Look way the fuck down there. Look way down there.
They grew up so much. And this fucking asshole guy was on this fucking Batman going down like that. Why you try to push your finger by the guy? Face that. I know you are.
But you gonna be next.
You know him as an asshole. You know what the fucking do.
Listen, don't say nothing.
You know what you're doing.
Don't say nothing. Trust me. Don't tell him nothing.
You know what the fuck you do. You know what the fuck you do. You guys look like a fucking crackhead. I'm gonna talk to you now.
Go ahead, Papa. Be fucking next. Trust me.
Only in Brooklyn.
Back up. Just back up. Just back up.
Only in Brooklyn. Shit's crazy.
Back again. What you don't do? Back again. Ready, vamos do mais. Olha essa dúvida. Back. Keep on going. Right.
Snowstorm. Fucking madness everywhere. Fuck is Bloomberg got, dickhead. These niggas about to start scrapping in a second.
You don't see him get out from over there? Excuse me. You should mind your fucking business too. You should mind your fucking business. Again, you should mind your business. I done help him get out from way down there. When you get stuck, shit. Don't tell me jack shit.
Shit is crazy. I'm waiting for some crazy shit to go down. These niggas need to give it up. Fool, he's like, here we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That's what I've been waiting for.
Give me the rest of my money. Can I have the rest of my money? Can I have the rest of my money, yes or no?
Go get to the shit
$10 more.
back.
Give me 10 more dollars. Tell it not to snow no more.
Here we go.
You got a plan, I got a better one. You ain't planning on paying. All the fucking police.
Keep throwing the snow back when he pulled it out.
Huh?
You work for nothing. You made me work for nothing.
I'm cleaning my car again, you know. Miss, can you tell them to stop this? Can you tell them to stop? Yo, that's why you fucking say. You fucking shut up.
Mind your fucking face.
You fucking shut up.
Yo, you mind your fucking face.
I'm trying to help everybody.
All you want is a
That's why I asked you, can you tell them please still wait for my dog?
What is he saying? I'll just have to pass it through. What is he saying? I'll say something. I get everybody on the way.
You stop. You fucking stop.
Whatever. Speak that language, whatever. I'm trying to help everybody out. You talking some shit?
No, miss, she don't say nothing to you.
Calm down.
You run all the way up here from where we are.
Why he coming like a fucking pussy? Don't talk to him, this guy. Anything you else going to do, them, they don't want to understand. I'm going to start it right there.
This motherfucker, he could have gave us some money right there. No, he did way up here. You tell me, dig him out again, he give me some more money. You didn't give me what the fuck I asked for from the beginning. He did not. You understand my attitude now? Do you understand my attitude?
All right.
So your best bet is stay the fuck out of here. Stay the fuck out of here. Who
Now he talking to a dude right here. Africans trying to stick together. What they are?
gonna pay for 2 hours?
And Haitians trying to stick together, I guess.
Get the fuck out of here.
These two dudes right here don't even know, son.
They just came out.
They came out of nowhere after he tried to dip. We're gonna end up busting his head. Watch.
She don't have nothing to do with it. She ain't got shit. What? You can get $10 down there. You full of shit. You was full of shit. Straight to your fucking face. Car probably stolen anyway.
Didn't I say that? He said the car probably stole it anyway. Nigga probably stole the car, trying to make some money on some calf shit.
That's what he said?
He said car stolen. Car probably stolen anyway. His shit look like a stole. Look. He's out. He's gonna be out. He's gonna be out on all these niggas. Look, they helping him and he's gonna be out on them niggas.
I know a nigga leave him. Leave them on the block.
This is it only got one. It only got one
You
plate.
think he getting a ride?
Look, he gonna shuffle some snow into the shit. Look at this nigga.
Dip photo?
No, this next nigga.
He should come over here and do that shit for from there. Brooklyn 2010. Straight.
Snowstorm. Look at this nigga. Oh, he about to do it.
He's like, I'm out.
Out.
Now go make him pay me. Go make him pay me like you said. Now you change the story, man. You just like this motherfucker too. You want to make him pay me. What did he just say that? Did he just say that?
He gonna hit his con with some money.
I helped him down here. What?
$2. They gonna scrap behind this one.
Nothing. Why you pay him?
I'm fucking telling you, I can't stop right there. I have to move the car forward.
I don't give a fuck. Why you speeding up? If you didn't get stuck in,
I don't want to fucking fight the guy right there. That's what you're telling me. Fucking piece of shit over there.
This nigga don't want the money.
take all of it.
Only in Brooklyn. Look what Bloomberg did. This nigga, yo, he gave them $2.
I don't want nothing free from you. Merci pour ça.
Why he didn't pay this nigga?
It's Brooklyn. I am the king of Los Angeles.
This nigga got a stolen.
It's Brooklyn. But if I want all you're going to get it. Oh yeah, well the song is not big, right? It's Brooklyn. Big little country just for saying hi.
Basically.
What the hell? In Brooklyn.
What's this nigga doing? Yo. He's still digging. That's all, folks. That's all.
Can ever win.